Greetings and welcome to chapter 1 of my brand new series titled US $30 billion for Jamaica 2030 Vision. Now, the Jamaican government needs to act with haste in using the opportunities that lay before us to improve the lives of its people. The opportunities in tourism is a means to an end and not an end in itself. For example, the Arab nations have oil as their natural resource, and they use the income from the oil to build out their infrastructures in case oil ceases to bring in the profits sometimes in the future. Likewise, Jamaica needs to seize the opportunities that currently lay in tourism and use the proceeds to build out our road networks, our schools, our colleges, health centers, and to build more international airport to facilitate the number of visitors needed and to provide us with a level of income to build our country, also the infrastructure needed to promote the ecotourism in Jamaica and to accomplish our 2030 goals. The government seems to be in the process of trying to build more prisons, and that may be needed. However, there are no number of police or soldiers that can stop a hungry man from stealing. And my reference there is 2 Kings chapter 7 from verse 3 to verse 4. Some criminals would rather take their chances rather than suffer hunger and destitution. Hunger, which is brought on by the lack of opportunities for the less fortunate in our society. We should be hoping that the more job opportunities the government provide right across Jamaica is the less chance of our youth falling into criminal activities. It also costs a lot to keep inmates in prison. It probably costs 3 to 4 times the minimum wage to keep someone in prison. Hence, in a sense, it would be less expensive for the government to pay someone a minimum wage and let them stay home and commit no crime than to lock them up in prison. I'm just using a simple expression, not saying that the government should do that. What I'm saying is that the government should invest in infrastructure in every parish of Jamaica. The people can live, work, and raise their families in their local communities across Jamaica. What better way to achieve the above than to allow foreign investors to build more large inclusive hotels all across Jamaica to provide jobs for the hundreds of thousands of unskilled Jamaicans who at the moment are doing very little to contribute to the country's economy or to themselves. Give these unskilled Jamaicans a chance and give them hope, because not everyone can be trained to become a professional. I'll leave my notes in the description section below. Also see my questions in the comments section. But thanks for watching this video. To support this channel, please click on the subscribe button, share this video, and leave your comments below. God bless you. God bless our Prime Minister. God bless the Jamaican Parliament. And God bless Jamaica. Until my next video, peace.